I've been exploring the Williams Sonoma Key Rewards Visa for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review. I cover key features, perks, risks, fees, and real-world usability so you can clearly decide if this credit card fits your needs before applying. The Williams Sonoma Key Rewards Visa is designed mainly for people who regularly shop within the Williams Sonoma family of brands, which includes Pottery Barn, West Elm, and a few others. The biggest draw is the reward structure tied to the Key Rewards program. Cardholders earn elevated rewards when spending directly with those brands, which can translate into noticeable savings if you frequently buy cookware, furniture, or home decor from these stores. One of the strongest positives is the reward rate inside the brand ecosystem. Purchases made at participating stores typically earn the highest percentage back in rewards, and those rewards convert into certificates that can be used for future purchases. For loyal shoppers who already spend hundreds or even thousands each year at these stores, the savings can stack up surprisingly quickly. The card also functions as a standard Visa, meaning it earns rewards on everyday spending like groceries, gas, and dining. However, the earning rate outside the partner brands is fairly modest compared to many modern cashback or travel cards available in 2026. That means the card works best as a specialized store card rather than a primary everyday credit card. Another small advantage is access to occasional promotions and cardholder exclusive offers, which can include bonus rewards, events, or limited-time discounts across the brand network. For regular customers, those promotions can make the card more useful than a typical retail credit card. With that said, there are some clear downsides. The rewards can only be redeemed within the Williams Sonoma brand ecosystem, which limits flexibility. The APR is also relatively high, which is common with store cards, but still worth noting if you tend to carry a balance. And if you rarely shop at these stores, the rewards simply will not justify keeping the card long-term. Overall, the Williams Sonoma Key Rewards Visa makes the most sense for loyal shoppers within the brand family who want to earn extra value on purchases they were already planning to make. For everyone else, a more flexible cashback or rewards card will likely offer better long-term value. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.